Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a due date for a task on ClickUp. So once you're on ClickUp, you will see your task that you have here. And if you look in one of these columns, you'll find a due date, right? And you can click on that and actually set the due date. Also, if you open up the task as well, if you click on the task and open it, you will find the start and due date option right here that you can simply click again and start by and simply add the date as well. You can also set due date for subtask as well. So if you have a subtask there, you can see right here, there's a subtask. I can set the due date for that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply set a due date for this subtask. So let's say I want this subtask to be completed by the 30th of September. I will put that. I leave the start date as is. And that's all that I have to do, guys. This due date is now set, right? So you can do that. As for this video here, the original task itself, I can click on it to set the due date from here, as I mentioned, and I can set it from here. Or if I click out and go to where I have all my tasks, I can set a due date for this. And I'm going to do the same here by set the due date for the 30th of September. And that's it, guys. That's how you set a due date for your task on ClickUp.